अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ एडवांस इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस का लेसन नंबर 2। सो वीडियो को कंप्लीट वॉच कीजिएगा क्योंकि ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूज़फुल होने वाला है। तो चलिए जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन। सबसे पहले हमारे पास जो सेंटेंस है वो है मैं नहीं समझता। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। बट एडवांस इंग्लिश वी से I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है। I don't have money. I don't have money. But advanced English we say I am broke. I am broke. खामोश रहो। Keep quiet. Keep quiet. But advanced English we say zip your lips. Zip your lips. वक़्त ज़ाया करना बंद करो। Stop wasting time. Stop wasting time. But advanced English we say stop fiffing around. Stop fiffing around. मैं थोड़ा मसरूफ हूँ. I am bit busy. I am bit busy. But advanced English we say I am bit tired of. I am bit tired of. वही रुक जाओ. Stop right there. Stop right there. But advanced English we say stay put. Stay put. एहतियात से. एहतियात से be careful. Be careful. But advanced English we say watch out. Watch out. मुझसे एक बड़ी गलती हो गई. I made a big mistake. Mistake means गलती. But advanced English we say I screwed up. I screwed up. तुम मुझे हंसाते हो. You make me laugh. You make me laugh. But advanced English we say you crack me up. You crack me up. वो बहुत खूबसूरत है. She is so beautiful. She is so beautiful. Beautiful means खूबसूरत. But advanced English we say she is drop dead gorgeous. Gorgeous means खूबसूरत. मैं नहीं जानता. I don't know. I don't know. But advanced English we say I am not certain. I am not certain. हाथ मत लगाओ. Don't touch. Don't touch. But advanced English we say hands off. Hands off. क्या तुम खौफजदा हो? Are you afraid? Are you afraid? But advanced English we say are you terrified? Are you terrified? फिर से करो. Start again. Start again. But advanced English we say start over. Start over. मैं सुन रहा हूँ. I am listening. I am listening. Tell me. I am listening. But advanced English we say I am all ears. I am all ears. मुतमईन रहो. Be satisfied. Satisfied. But advanced English we say be content. Be content. जल्दी वापस आओ. Come back quickly. Come back quickly. But advanced English we say hurry up. Hurry up या hurry back. मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to sleep. I am going to sleep. But advanced English we say I am off to bed. I am off to bed. आहिस्ता करो. Do it slow. Do it slow. But advanced English we say go slow. Go slow. चलो शुरू करें. Let's start. But advanced English we say, let's kick off.